inviting me here.
Thank you for coming with us. To speak a little bit about ZiACOM.
Yeah.
We are a Spanish company and we are based in Madrid, in the capital of Spain, and we are dental implant manufacturer. But not just implants, because you need to find a lot of products around the implant. So we manufacture the abutments, the implants, the instruments, but we also have a lot of products such as guided surgery or intraoral scanner, and also we work together with another company such as ZiACOM. We have a milling center to produce CAD/CAM system for the restoration. So a little bit about ZiACOM products. Here we have, this is the recently case that we have. So our sales team can come to the dentist with this. So we resume our portfolio, okay? So the different type of implants, external connection, internal connection, and conical connection, and also all abutments around the system. So here you can have your implant and see actually how are you going to receive the product. So dentists can be satisfied with the presentation of the product and also the quality. We are a company established in the value sector of the implant, which the relationship between the quality and the price is really good. We are not a cheap brand, we are not the biggest premium one, but the relationship between the quality and the price that you are going to pay is really good. And that's why our customers are very satisfied. Yeah. Well, in 2017, we launched the conical connection Galaxy and ZV2. These two implants, the connection, are really good for the performance of the restoration. So the infiltration is less and the micro movements are less when you are in the occlusion of the patient. Our product, my master product, Galaxy and ZV2, was developed for almost 2 years, okay? And finally we launched in 2017. So right now we are really confident with the product and our customers are saying, I love it. So that's really, really good idea. And because of the design of the product, we push our digital workflow more in the last 2 years. So we add the intraoral scanner. Right now we distribute, we are partnership with Carestream, which is a really well-known brand, okay? And also we had the milling center, which is ZiACOM. So every restoration is made in CAD/CAM system, which is the digital workflow is doing right now. I think the last 10 years the industry have been working in digital, but right now is a present. Everyone can have a CAD/CAM system to do the restoration, and everyone can have an intraoral scanner and also guided surgery. So if you want to mix all together, it is possible with ZiACOM, which is very important thing because our customers, if you want that, you have it. But if you wanted to stay in the traditional dentistry, you can do it as well. So we are flexible for all positions that dentists may have.
Do you want to show me anything about?
Yes, this is the Galaxy. This is the connection. It's a conical connection with 11 degrees, which made that the micro movements are the infiltration are almost nothing. So we call this the gapless connection. So it's a word made. This is not actually a word, but and this is the other one. This is ZV2, with a traditional implant, but works really, really, really well. The other thing is a tapered body implant, okay? So here you have an internal hexagonal connection, which is very well known. and the shape of this implant makes that the implant stability, primary stability, is great. So it's very useful for immediate loading or immediate placement. Well, what else? This is the oldest one. This is the oldest brother of the implant, which is the Scenic. It was our first internal hex connection, and it works really well. It's for traditional implantologists, and they like it so much. And as you can see here, there is several different types of presentation. You can have it with the mount or without that. Everything you wanted, you can have it with us. These are the abutment with a mechanized base for the better fitting of the restoration. Some of the dentists have a look with the implant with magnification, and they say that the quality is really good. The finishing surface is very well done for the osseointegration, but also the abutments to be really good at the restoration. The several type of restoration options, I think, is the most important thing in ZiACOM. Right now, our sales team in Spain and also in Portugal and UK have one of these ones to show our dentists how the product is before having a trial surgery or before having us as a client, so they can trust in ZiACOM products because they see what we have. Here we have Mariana. She's our digital specialist. She's in charge of digital dentistry, which includes guided surgery, intraoral scanner, and also CAD/CAM system. So here Mariana she did presentation for dentists to teach them how they can use the intraoral scanner to include this digital workflow in their clinic. So here we have the information that the system gives you, and well, we have this product very inside our ZiACOM brand. This is the best thing to start doing intraoral scanner and to get in touch with the system, but also to understand how your hand needs to move. And because this is different from other machines that you have in the clinic, it's very important to do it before going with your patient.